Hello, this is a quick product demo of Sku Harmony. Sku Harmony is an application that helps sync inventory counts between Square and Shopify and can also help sync product catalogs and descriptions. This is the home page. A lot of people won't see this page because they'll be coming directly from the Square or Shopify app stores, in which case they'll be logged in directly to the application. And I'll go ahead and do that now. I've already set up my account, but if you haven't, the first thing that will happen is that you'll be asked to authorize Sku Harmony to access your Square and your Shopify product catalog so that we can begin the syncing process. And you'll be asked to authorize a charge via Shopify for the product itself. If at any point you're curious about whether or not Shopify and Square are connected, you can come to the Verify Access page, which just indicates whether we have the access we need to keep your inventory in sync. The other thing you'll be asked to do is to verify which two locations you want synced. So right now, in the current version of Sku Harmony, you can sync one Shopify to one Square location. A future version of the application, that restriction will be removed, but for now, it's a one-to-one. And so if you only have one location, that's pretty easy. If you don't, you'll have to choose which Shopify and which Square location and click Create Association, in which case you'll see the locations that are being kept in sync in the panel on the right. Now, when you go to your dashboard, the first thing you'll see is all the products and variations that are being kept in, that are currently in sync, meaning the quantity count for Shopify matches the quantity count for Square. The other tabs to pay attention to are the out of sync tabs, in which case the Shopify quantity does not match the Square quantity. And we'll want to resolve this by choosing either Square or Shopify as the source of truth, so that we don't end up overselling or underselling based on a misrepresented quantity count. And so if Square has the correct value, you just click this Use Square button, in which case the Shopify quantity would have been updated to 23. Alternatively, if you actually have 11 units in stock and Square is incorrect, then you can click the Use Shopify button, which will update the Square quantity to 11. The other two tabs to pay attention to are the Only in Shopify tab, which means these are the product variations that only exist in Shopify. And you can click this Create in Square button in order to create the product variation in Square, and we'll start keeping those in sync. The other thing is the Only in Square, which is kind of the flip side of that. So if we have product variations that are only in Square and you want to create them in Shopify, you can go ahead and do so from this screen and click these links to create those products in Shopify. If you click the All Inventory tab, you'll just see it's basically a combination of those four other tabs all in one view, and you can see your kind of current inventory levels. And the way that the product works is that we listen to webhooks. And so when you sell an item or update a quantity in one system, Sku Harmony listens to that event that gets fired by Square or Shopify and tries to mirror that change in the other system. And so if you sell, let's say 2 units of this medium red polo in Square, we receive a notification that 2 units have been sold. And the new inventory level or the new inventory quantity is 23, and we'll mirror that change in Shopify to decrement the current inventory count to 23. And so you can also go to your History tab up here to see the changes that Sku Harmony has made to your inventory counts over time. That's a brief overview of how to use the product. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at hello@skuharmony.com and let us know what we can do. Thanks.